What a day! And thanks to my Scooty Zest for making it all the more joyous. From the beaches, Christmas decor and the gentle breeze in my hair. The day was just like a dream. And if you are wondering what am I talking about, let me take you back in time. Hi, I'm Vishakha, a traveler, explorer, and someone who is in love with Goa. Today, I'm going to take you across Goa to witness the preparation of Christmas in Goan style. So let's go! So we are here in Panjim to meet Erica Fernandez, who specializes in Goa's traditional cakes, that is Bolsa Rival. So let's meet her and check out what's her preparation for the Christmas. So why Bolsa Rival? Like, is there a reason that you're only sticking to that Goan dessert?
I do have other desserts which are there on the menu, but it caters to the audience and it is very festive to start off with, and it works well with the season that is currently going on.
Oh, wow.
And basically when you eat it, it feels like happiness in your mouth. It just melts since it's meringue based, so it is meant for this season.
Can't wait to try that.
It's warm and it's nice.
Bolsa Rival is Goa's traditional cake from the Portuguese times, and Erica has been making it to preserve the Goan baking culture. Fantastic, isn't it? So next up is a winemaker. Basically, Goans make wine at home as a traditional drink during Christmas. So let's head to Peter's place and check out how he does it. Goa is truly a traveler's trove, and Scooty Zest is the perfect travel partner. Nimble yet powerful. Makes your travel in Goa a breeze. So we are at Chef Peter's restaurant, who's into the winemaking business for last 30 years. So let's go inside and check with him how he's preparing for Christmas. Meeting Chef Peter gave us an insight into his preparations for Christmas. Along with running a Goan cuisine restaurant in Porvorim, Peter also makes wine throughout the year. By sourcing high quality grapes from Nashik, Peter makes sure that the manufacturing is done as traditionally as possible. I'm famished. It's time to quickly grab some nariyal pani. Now I feel super energized, all set to hit our next destination. And we are back at the Mary Immaculate Church in Panjim, which sees one of the biggest celebrations of the fest. Lit and how. So guys, I hope you guys loved how we Goans prep for Christmas, and hope you're gonna show us the love on this video by liking, sharing and commenting on this video, and make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.